Today, March 17. Happy St. Patrick's Day. As you can see, gold prices are up at new highs. Maybe this has something to do with the leprechauns and their pot of gold, because last year, March St. Patrick's Day, we also had a very strong gold rally. And we actually covered this in our video last year, a year ago. This was the video. If you missed it, we'll put a link at the top here, and make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on these profitable opportunities, because this trade made more than 149% profit, not based on luck, but based on unusual option activity. So in this video, we will analyze unusual options again to find out whether or not it is a good time to trade gold and how to do it. Because instead of the GLD ETF that tracks the price of gold, we found something unusual on the ticker GOLD. Barrick Gold Corporation, a company that mines gold. And what we found was that on March 13, just a few days ago, for the June options, the 15 strike calls, there were about 5,000 contracts being traded. And you can see that the open interest was 17,000. And the next day, you can see that we had about 21,900. So those 5,000 added in because they were opening trades. Okay. And by doing so, you can see here, we have a total of 22,000 open interest. We are also in this position where they were buying these 15 strike calls. And by buying these calls, you can see 152, 5,000 contracts. It's about $760,000. Now, this does not meet our threshold for a $1 million trade, which is one of the variables we take a look at to decide how much we want to trade, our position sizing. So that is why we don't position size very much, because to us, this is not a high probability of profit trade in comparison to the ones that we share on our website. If you are interested in those trades that have higher probability of profit, we'll put a link to our website up here. Okay, so we simply follow this trade. And this trade here, you can see clearly a bullish trade, because current price on the x-axis here on this graph, as gold goes up, you can see the option becomes profitable. If it goes down, it becomes a loss, because we have a positive delta. If this was a short bearish position, it would be a negative delta. Now we can also see that the break even on this trade is right over here at $16.50, about here for June. Okay, the blue line represents the expiration of the options, where it would have to be above to be profitable, because the y-axis here represents the profit and loss. If the lines are below the zero, that is a loss. If it is above, it is a gain. And so you can see that the purple line, which represents the current date, is actually profitable immediately. So if gold starts to go up soon, right away, even before expiration, these options can become profitable right away. Okay, it does not have to wait until June where these options could decay in value. That is why the purple line is above the blue line, because they do decay in value through the theta risk here. As you can see here, a negative theta. Okay, so that is the risk with trading options, that they do decay in value, whereas if you trade stocks, there is no theta decay. It is flat, zero. Okay, you can hold stocks for as long as you want, and so that's one of the advantages of trading stocks. But the downside of it is that you don't get that leverage that you can get with options, where you can make more than 100% very quickly, like what we did last year when we traded gold in the videos that we had shown earlier in this video. Okay, so let us know what you think about gold. Do you think it's a good time to buy gold, or maybe it's a good time to buy this company that mines gold? Okay, that is what we are doing. And but as we mentioned, this is not a high probability of profit trade in comparison to our trades we share on our website. So if you want to learn more on how to gain access and also find out our strategies that we use when they are higher probability of profit trades, check out our website. As usual, please smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and have a lucky and happy St. Patrick's Day. Take care, everyone.